30E. Start by removing panels. This will give you access to the screws behind, which once removed will be able to take the console off. Unplug the switch knob, then you need to unscrew the nut that holds the plastic cover to the switch. Now that you've got the nut out, you can unclip this black panel. Use a screwdriver or flat surface. In my case I'm using a pocket knife. Just remove things carefully and look for the switch connections at the back, which will have to be removed shortly. Make sure you remove them and know which way they go in. Most of them are foolproof. Next you need to remove all the 8mm screws. There are 5 on top and 2 at the bottom. The bottom ones are just above the park brake and on the other side just above the accelerator. Once these are all removed, that console will drop down and you can get access to the switch which needs to be removed for replacement. The switch is located over here. It just takes a slight turn, half a turn or quarter turn to get it out, and once you've got it out you can start removing the old switch to replace the new switch. Replacing the new switch is pretty easy. Just make sure that the correct locating tabs are in place. The fitting procedure is now just the reverse of the removal. The switch has got to go back into its location position. Don't forget the turn to locate it so that it doesn't slip through. We'll start putting the console back on at the bottom with the 8mm screws. Remember, 5 on top, 2 at the bottom, and we'll then go on to replacing the covers, the nut that holds the switch secure, and all should be okay. Just make sure those wires and lights are clipped in. Okay, now this little trim can go back. There we go. And then we put the nut on. Don't forget the little bulb. That goes in there. And there it is. Clipped back in. Put the ignition on. Press the and if you pull the ignition out, the light on alarm is on. Pull it, that little light comes on. You'll see it better in the night. That is now for the side lamps. Closed, click, click, park light, second park light, and the new switch is working perfectly again.